Welcome to the Weekly Roundup at Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we're at the Town Lake location. David, what are you working on this morning?
I'm working on a 2006 Toyota Avalon. Right now I'm checking the brakes to see how low the pads are. According to this, they're at 2 millimeters or below for the rear.
Chris, what are you working on today?
They work on a Ford Focus with a dual clutch setup. One of the solenoid B failed, which is your reverse solenoid. Once we diagnosed that and corrected it, took it down the road, noticed the clutch is slipping. So we're going to remove the transmission, replace the clutch, both actuators, and retest it.
Connor, what are you working on today?
I'm doing 4 tires on that Nissan Sentra over there.
John, what are you working on this morning?
Well, as luck would have it, it's another week and another Jag in for a coolant leak. We did a pressure test on this one and found that the intercooler or the charge air cooler for the turbo is leaking coolant. We're going to get this one fixed up, get the customer on the way. Stay tuned. We'll probably have another Jag for you next week.